I need a 1/2 by 3/4 adapter.
In the circus of what's left of his Louisiana hardware store,
3/8 by 1/2.
Blake Pennington is ringmaster. He's the guy who knows the show must go on,
How does it work?
even after Category 4, Hurricane Ida.
I can tell you're the star of the show. You're the sweatiest.
Pretty sweaty. You know, we go from customers to cleaning, customers to cleaning.
At Pennington's Hardware in Madisonville,
That one, I'd have to get her to scan it.
Blake's job is basically helping customers
Alan, we need to get a path to the 1x4s.
and bossing
people
around
are
the
buying.
staff. Some of his 7 kids
As a kid, did you dream of growing up, having your dad as boss, selling chainsaws and chicken feed?
No, I actually thought I would be an architect.
Try to get everything out this side so we can replace these and paint them tonight.
The store needs an architect. Hurricane Ida left a 4-foot flood with 100-mile-an-hour winds that whipped the place into tragedy.
Jen?
Blake and his family moved the family business to a new address, outside and under a tent.
Biz, can you get this trash?
It's the same tent his daughters use when they get married.
Whole lot of love under this tent, from wedding bells to doorbells.
My wife and I were high school sweethearts. We got married, we wanted 6 kids. We've been blessed with 7. In times like this, I think maybe we should have went to 10 so I had more kids to help work. This got knocked down.
During the storm that shut down the state of Louisiana, Pennington's Hardware never closed,
We're making it. Could have been worse.
never said no.
Category 4 hurricane, but you stayed open.
Every day during the storm that customer needed something, we were here. Here's the grease we was hunting earlier for a customer.
After a hurricane, it's the greatest hardware show on earth, now appearing under the big top.
Do we have any more extension cords?
Bill Wood, WGNO News.